I am going to read English newspaper. Rahul in Haryana rallies harps on exports of youth for jobs. Issue of drug menace saying there is a drug problem in Haryana. Youths told me Rahul ji the drug problem is escalating in Haryana. Gandhi also raised the issue of protest by wrestlers of Haryana at Delhi against the then Wrestling Federation of India chief saying Bajrang Punia is sitting here. He and people like him bring gold medals. They work hard 24 hours a day because they want a gold medal to bring glory to Haryana and India. We want Haryana and India to be recognized all over the world. We don't win gold medals for ourselves, we win gold medals for India. But what happened to him? They have destroyed all the athletes. His sisters are facing sexual harassment, and the one responsible is being protected. During his second rally in Barwala Hisar, Rahul Gandhi took aim at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, criticizing him for remaining silent on the growing drug problem in Haryana and the issue of farmers being forced to sell their crops below the minimum support price. Gandhi guarantee MSP for farmers and accused the union government of favoring a wealthy industrialist while neglecting the poor and farmers. He also reiterated his promise of providing Rs 1 lakh per year to improvised families if Congress wins power at the national level, framing the upcoming elections as a fight to safeguard the constitution. However, the BJP launched a fierce attack on Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for campaigning in support of Samshed Singh Gogi. The party accused Gogi of openly stating his intention to fill his coffers and those of his supporters if the Congress were to come to power in Haryana. In a post on X, the BJP said Rahul Gandhi is kicking off his rally in Haryana for a candidate who just 2 days ago blatantly declared he will loot the state. Is this the kind of leadership Haryana deserves? Thank you guys for watching.